Okay, so welcome to a presentation on significant digits. So, when we are talking about significant digits, why are we saying that they are significant? Well, significant digits are important. They are important for one reason or another. Um, so, when we are looking at these, we need to understand like the context. So if we think about we have city A on a map and we have city B. Okay. So if somebody tells you that this distance is about 10 miles, well, that's good enough. We really don't need much more detail. It's about 10 miles. Or if somebody says, well, I'm going to leave Graham and I'm going to travel down I 40 to Winston-Salem. And we're going to say that the trip takes about 1 hour. Well, again, that's good enough. We really don't need to know more than that. It's not important that we know more than that. Well, sometimes uh, dealing with um, when we are dealing with uh, when we are dealing with certain numbers, trying to figure out um, why this thing is doing what it's doing here. Um, well, when we are dealing with important digits, we have some rules. Okay, so let's look at the rules that we have. Rule number one: non-zero digits are always significant. Okay. Rule number two: a zero is significant if it's between two non-zero digits, or it is at the right end of a decimal, or if it is marked as significant. Okay. And finally, rule number three: A zero is not significant if it's at the right end of a whole number, or if it is at the left end of a number. Okay, so let's look at some examples of this. Okay. So the number 400, that has one significant digit. Those zeros are on the right side of the number. They are not significant. The number 701 has three significant digits. Why? Because that zero is in the middle. So that makes it significant. And let's look at this one. Let's say that we have the number 62.40. Okay. So because this zero is on the right-hand side of the decimal point, it becomes significant. So this has four significant digits. Okay. Now, when we are doing calculations with numbers, we always want to we always round to the least precise. Okay. So, for example, let's say that we have 1.234 plus 7.2. Okay. Well, this guy here has four significant digits. This one has two. Okay. So when we add this together and just adding it as it is, we get 8.434. But because of this here, okay, we only want to round. So this has two significant digits. So with the correct precision, your answer would be 8.4. So we are going to see a lot more of significant digits when we get into working with measurements. So please reach out if you have any questions. We are here to help in any way we can.